Hello everyone, my name is Julie Pike and I'm a children's book author. I've got 2 books out. I've got The Last Spell Breather and I've got Flame Chasers. Both books are about magic and adventure and both are stories about magic animals. This one has got a fox on it called Frank and this one has got a phoenix on it and she's called Hope. And both have big adventures. Now, did you know that right now Neath Talbot is hosting a children's book festival? There's lots of exciting events on at the moment and you can go and see any of them. And as part of that, we are hosting a 500-word story competition for everyone in year 3, year 4, year 5 and year 6. And I'm going to tell you about it now, see if you want to enter. And I've got my notes here, so I'm going to read them out because it's important stuff and I don't want to forget everything. So what are we looking for? We're looking for stories on the theme of magic animals. And you can write about any magic animal you want. It can be a cat or a bat or a dog, or it could be a whale, or it could be a bird. It could be a sea serpent, it could be a mythical creature, it's up to you. You could write about a little insect and give them a big magic power. All we're looking for is stories that have an animal, have a magic power, and are dropped in the middle of an adventure to see what they do with their magic power. Now, the competition is on for the whole of October. So if you get writing and submitting by the end of October, you could be in with a chance of winning a prize. We've got 2 winners, 1 winner for year 3 and 4 and 1 winner for year 5 and 6. And there'll be 4 runners up as well. And you'll all get book tokens and copies of my book. And for everyone that makes the shortlist, there'll be about 20 or so on the shortlist. I'll write some feedback notes on your story for you, telling you things I loved about the story and some tips on editing it more if you want to. Just like I get feedback notes from my editor when I write stories and that get made into books. So there's that as well. So there you go. How does that sound? Are you interested? Do you fancy writing a story about a magic animal and letting me have a read of it? Oh, I'm really excited to read what you write. So happy writing!